Hello everyone, I am Sanpei, Chief Project Manager at Digitacan. We developed innovative products which solve social problems such as water scarcity and public sanitation. We are looking for highly talented and motivated individuals who have the creativity to come up with unique solutions and the expertise to bring them from the idea board into reality. Of course, we expect basic skills such as communication and teamwork, but also the open-mindedness to welcome and assess a variety of options and perspectives. Personally, I joined Digitakano after working for over a decade at one of the biggest companies in Japan. That jobs offered a lot of security, but not a lot of excitement. So last year I decided to join Digitakano because I had always been impressed with the way this company evolved. Being part of Digitakano gives me more excitement and energy on the day-to-day level than I have ever experienced. I really believe you will feel the same way once you join our team. We are just beginning to grow, and we hope you will grow together with us. But don't just take my word for it. Here is what our recent IIT hires think about this account.
Hello everyone, I am Faizan. I graduated from IIT Hyderabad in year 2021. I am currently working as a mechanical design engineer with Digitakano.
Hello everyone, I'm Kapil Verma. I graduated from IIT Dhanbad in 2021. I recently joined Digitakano as a software engineer.
Hey, hi, I'm Utkarsh Mishra and I'm a developer at Digitakano. I graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee with a major in mechanical engineering.
Hello, myself Ishu Singh and I'm a BTech graduate from IIT Dhanbad. I'm currently working as a mechanical design engineer in Digitakano.
Hello guys, I'm Pragyat Mishra. I'm a software developer at Digitakano. I'm from IIT Hyderabad. I have done my masters from biomedical engineering 2019-21 batch.
I joined Digitakano recently and choosing it was a no-brainer to me. The foremost reason for me joining Digitakano is that I get international exposure. Now you might wonder why not any other overseas company? That's because Digitakano works towards developing sustainable products and solutions to improve real-life scenarios. Also, Japanese culture is well renowned, as you might know, and DG is where you experience it to the fullest, without any language barriers too.
I chose the company as I always admired Japanese technology and culture. Digitakano adds to it by focusing its work on sustainable development and bringing in radical innovation to the market.
I joined Digitakano because I was motivated by the contributions to the sustainable development and water conservation.
Digitakano is doing quite great in the field of sustainable development. With the help of its innovative ideas, creative thinking, and technically sound team, it's been trying to solve some of the major environmental issues like water scarcity. To start off my career with such a promising field of engineering, it couldn't be much more better.
The reason I joined Digitakano is you will get the exposure of the cutting edge technologies, and apart from that you will not will be stuck into the single field like software engineer, IoT. You will get the exposure of various kind of fields which includes design also and much more.
Digitakano is a very transparent company as far as I have experienced. It is a goal-driven company which values your ideas, and not only that, there is a lot of flexibility when it comes to the choice of projects. There is a very friendly atmosphere among the colleagues which helps in productive and efficient working.
My experience with Digitakano has been great till now. The team is really supportive in every aspect. The people are really friendly. We get good exposure to every member's area of expertise through regular discussions. Unlike other corporate environments, there is a lot of freedom here. I even got to choose my own project, my approach, and the timeline was very flexible. From participating in various design contests to proposing novel solutions to the problems. All the thoughts are welcome here rationally. The people here are not just from India and Japan, but from other nations as well, like Philippines, France, etc. So it adds to a lot of international exposure. One other advantage of working here is that we don't need to be proficient in Japanese language, and there is no need of any certification either to work at Digitakano.
While working at Digitakano, I was able to experience a very friendly, independent, and knowledgeable working environment, obviously with the ethics of the Japanese working culture. Digitakano supports you at every stage of your development and provides you with enough opportunities to strengthen your skills. Personally, I was able to be a part of projects ranging from conventional designing to cutting edge IoT and computer vision.
It's been quite a time working with DG Takano, and I found out their work culture is quite easy and disciplined. Also, their friendly environment and regular meeting ensures a smooth workflow along the roadmap.
The experience with Digitakano for me personally is like it's like a friendly environment everywhere. Like in a project, I'm not feeling like I'm working in a project. I am feeling something like I'm working with my friends on some kind of a college project. And yes, they accept my ideas. They welcome my ideas basically, and wherever I stuck at some point, they help me out. They are ready to discuss at any time, every points.
If you're creative and thinking out of your box is the strength, then DG Takano is the right place to be for you because it is where you can bring your ideas to life. Looking forward to working with you. Thanks a lot.
Lastly, I would say if you love to bring in innovative and sustainable ideas, Digitakano is the place to be. Thank you.
So, if you are ready to contribute to sustainable future, work in a Japanese working culture environment, and learn the Japanese language, then Digitakano is the best place to work independently and comfortably. See you soon. Have a nice day.
If someone is looking into work in the environmental services with their out-of-the-box thinking and creative thinking, technical knowledge, they can start a career with the DG Takano. Also, demographically rich and challenging atmosphere makes a huge opportunity for a fresher to learn and grow even more.
I would like to suggest this upcoming batch is if you have a various kind of set of skills, plus if you are out of a box thinker, that could be useful for our company. Yes, you are most welcome at Digitakano. Thank you.
皆さんこんにちは、DG 高野の社長をしている高野です。DG は、うち単体の、技術はもちろんあるんですけど、日本中の中小企業の、技術力を、アライアンスを組んで使うことができます。で、日本の会社っていうのはあまり世界を見てないので、世界の課題っていうのを知らないんですよね。で DG は世界中からいろんな人たちが集まって働いてくれてるので世界の課題が分かります。でこの世界の課題と、日本の技術力を掛け合わせて DG がそれを解決するものをデザインします。なので、みんなはですね自分の国の、こういう問題を解決したいとかこんな夢を叶えたいっていうそういう人たちが集まって、日本の技術を使って、自分の国を良くしたりとか、自分の夢を叶えたりとか、そういうことをしている会社です。皆さんのご応募をお待ちしています。
We develop innovative products which solve social problems such as water scarcity and the biggest companies in Japan. That job offered a lot of security, but not a lot of excitement. So last year, I decided to... We developed